This is Cyndy G, and in this video we are assembling the egg basket box card. Now I have got all of the pieces laid out here. I'm going to start with the two that make up the box. And the first thing I'm going to do, excuse me, is glue them together. So you just want to line it right up to the line. Make sure you've got it level. And then I'm going to flip it over, and I'm going to put on the eggs for the back. So you want to make sure that you're gluing these eggs on the back piece to the inside of your card. Slid. Okay, so just glue those again to the inside. And then these fold forward, so you're going to glue these panels also with them up. You're going to glue them to the side. It will be helpful to have a fine tip bottle for gluing this piece on. And I just want to fold it over. Make sure I've got that adhered well. Okay. I was looking for my foam tape, and I need a pair of scissors. Okay. So you're just going to glue the center there on your bow. I'm going to pop this bow piece up just a little bit. but I'm not going to put it on yet. I'm going to wait until I assemble the card, because this bow is going to go right in here like this. Okay, so let's go ahead and just do the egg insert. This is the front insert. And then we're going to pull in the center insert. And let's work on our flowers. So I inked the edges of my daffodil with orange to help give it a little more dimension. The center flower, I'm going to pop up with some foam tape. You just want to line that up over that center flower. And then I think this whole thing I am going to pop up. And first I'm going to glue this into place. And then if you just start with the center, if you just center this petal between these two leaves, that'll give you a pretty good placement there for your flower. Okay, so there's that. And you're going to pull your card in, and we're going to lay this down flat against the back with the tab up, and we're going to glue this tab to the side. Just going to lay it in there flat. Bring that side over. Glue that in place. Okay. Now do the next layer. I'm going to do the same thing, tabs out flat. Lay this down right there in front of that layer. Rub the side to get the glue to stick. Just make sure you're lined up here across the bottom. And then we're going to put glue on these two tabs here. And with this side down flat, we're going to take this side here and we are going to glue our tabs into place. Fold it both ways. Then we're going to take our tab here and we're going to close up our card. And now let's push these down and get our bow. I'm just going to put a little bit of glue here in the center and on the edges on the bottom, because maybe not on that one, because I don't want it to glue through here we go, the lacy part of the flap there, and I don't want glue up here on the top. So there it is. There is the egg basket box card. Thank you for joining me.